Today we will be learning about Pemdas. Let's play a quick game. I want you to solve this problem in your head. 8 plus 2 times 5. Now, half of you may say that you got 50. And then half of you may say that you got 18. Which one is correct? Believe it or not, both answers come from doing the math correctly, but in a different order. So which one is actually right? The answer is 18. And today, you'll learn why mathematicians always follow the same order of operation. Why do we need rules? Let's say a person adds this first, and they get 10 times 5. Now, that's equal to 50. But this is wrong, because if a person multiplies first, they get 8 plus 10, which is equal to 18. This one is the correct answer. If everyone solved problems in whatever order they wanted, no one would agree on the answer. That's why mathematicians created one set of rules that everyone follows. This is Pemdas. P is for parentheses, E exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. This order tells us which operations to do first. But there's one important thing many students don't realize. Multiplication and division are at the same level, and so is addition and subtraction. So we don't always multiply before dividing, and we don't always add before subtracting. Instead, we work from left to right for these 4 operations. Start this problem. Let's remember our rule, Pemdas. P stands for parentheses. So we have to do the parentheses first. Whatever's inside the parentheses has to be done before anything else, no matter what operation is performed inside. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now, let's look at the remaining operations which are remaining. We have addition and division. As we can see in Pemdas, this is the first, second, these both are third, and these are fourth, which means that addition comes after division. Therefore, let's perform the division operation first. So it will be 3 plus 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now we can finalize the answer by adding 3 plus 1, making it 4. And that's how you use Pemdas to solve an expression. Now let's do this one. So we can see first, let's write our rule. Pemdas. Remember, multiplication and division go together, and addition and subtraction go together. First, we can see that there is a pair of parentheses right here. But within those parentheses, there's another pair of parentheses. Therefore, let's do the pair of parentheses inside the other first. So 2 times, we keep these parentheses still, 3 minus, now we solve for this. So that's 2 to the power of 2. Everything in the outside parentheses to the power of 2, plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 3. Remember, exponents come after parentheses, so remember to do your parentheses first. Now let's solve for these parentheses. We have 2 times 3 minus 2 is 1 to the power of 2, plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 3. Now let's do the exponents, because that's the next step. So we have 2 times 1 to the power of 2 is 1, plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Now, if we remember, the next step is multiplication. Let's do that. 2 times 1 is 2. Now, we have to do the addition and subtraction, which will come in the same step, and we work left to right, because they are in the same order. So we have, just move that there, we have 6 minus 8, which is equal to -2. And that is the answer to this expression using Pemdas. Today we learned that the order of operations isn't just a rule to memorize. It's what makes sure everyone gets the same answer. Always check for parentheses first, then exponents. After that, work through multiplication and division from left to right, and finally, addition and subtraction from left to right. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to translate everyday words and phrases into algebraic expressions, which is where algebra starts to feel like solving puzzles.